What's good, everybody? This is Little D back with another reaction. Back with, oh God, I don't know. Y'all, I'm back with the one and only. We are one XO, you guys. XO, XO, XO. Yes, a lot of you XO fans, a lot of you exotics out there. You guys have probably been flipping shit right about now because it's been a while. It's been a while. So without further ado, I really don't got nothing to say. I'm just ready to watch this because the teasers look very interesting. Very interesting. So I'm ready to watch this. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Already. Well, that looks really, really cool. That looks really cool. Why advertisement? Oh snap. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Wolves in the hood. Wolves in the hood. Oh. Lord have mercy. Oh, he got them Tay braids though, but they long like caps. Oh, look at that! Is everybody wrapping up in here? Hey! Oh! I like that. Yo, they rocking the bandanas. They all about that life. Ow! Look at you. I don't know their names. I mean, I know their names, but I can't put... Wow. I can't put a face with their names. So if anybody can like... Wow. You better hit that note. Oh my gosh, you see that? You see... Oh wow, you're beautiful. That little silver thing. Wait. Did they just switch groups? His fingernails though. Tao. Tao is my body so you don't know. Oh, Tao. Oh, let it rain and clear it out. Chicken noodle soup. Hey. Why am I thinking of Stomp the Yard for some reason? I love this. Why are you stopping? His hair is nice. Kind of reminds me of Kool-Aid and Starburst. I want to eat it. Look at your fingernails though. Ow! Yo, he got that champion belt. He's an alpha male. You better punch. You stopped again. Oh. Woo! Cues? Is the cues up in this piece? Yo, he got the tattoos though. That pose is so cool. He got the fur. Oh my God, your eyes, but your face is so beautiful. You better hit them notes. You better hit. He hit them chain mims. Them chain mims. Get it, get it, get it. It keeps stopping. Hold on. This room reminds me of other SM rooms. Okay, here we go. That's right. Oh. You better hit that note. You better hit that note. Their eyes are red. What are those words? What are those letters? What are those numbers? Oh, they are hitting high notes. They're hitting some Shang Mims up in here. I like that move. Get it. Get it. Yeah, what? They getting crump. It's getting crump. Why you keep stopping? Dang, that boy is in the air. I'm gonna just go ahead and like while it's, you know, frozen. You better turn with that one leg. Oh my goodness, they were, oh wow. They're doing some Harry Potter X-Men. Did you just see them? They had blue eyes at the end, and it was looked like a wolf, and it faded, and now it's over. Okay, so can I just say one thing? Nigga wolf! Ow! Since when were wolves? Jeez, like, since when did a pack of wolves decide they want to join a gang and be Crips and Bloods and attack each other, like just throwing up gang signs and whatnot? Since when did wolves live in the hood? Well, a way to come back. I know some of my friends are probably flipping. Well, what the shit? That's what they're doing. But this was a really good comeback. They brought the hip hop feel. They brought in some guys from Stomp the Yard. Stomp the Yard. They brought in some guys from Stomp the Yard to teach them, teach us a choreo for the movie. Cause they was, I don't know about y'all, cause they was getting crunk up in that piece. Okay. It was, what can I say? It was an SM video, nothing but rooms, and just basically them dancing, some close-ups and every now and then. So yeah, just basically SM, some rooms that I've seen previously, but that's SM. Next, beauty factor. When I say EXO is fine, EXO is fine. God, I need to learn their names though. Like, I know all their names, but I for some reason I can't put a face to them. I only really know Luhan, Chris, Tao, Dio, and Sumin. And that's it. that's it. The rest of them confuse me. But can I say that they were all beautiful? Yo, one guy, I don't know if y'all remember, but he had like the cornrows. He had like some cornrows. He had like some Taeyang cornrows. Like, how Taeyang had his cornrows back in the day, y'all. He had some Taeyang cornrows, but they were all the way down like dreadlocks. They were hanging like Cap stuff. You know how when Cap came back and he had the long dreads hanging off of his head. That's what they look like, except in cornrow style. So yeah, he had them cornrows going on. Yeah, so. But anyway, so yeah, and one guy, Tao. If y'all don't know, Tao is my bias. Tao is my bias. He is magically delicious. Oh, love that man. Him and his red hair though. And Luhan, now I don't know if it's a Luhan, but I think it was Luhan. Luhan was the one that was blonde, but had like some purple and pink and blue going on up in his hair. I think that was him though, cause it looked like Luhan. But correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Correct me if I'm wrong. The song was good. The song was good. This is something I can get crunk to. Yep. But this,
Girl, I can't explain.
That's what it reminds me of. Clothes. Yes, clothes. Y'all, they were rocking them bandanas. But yeah, they were rocking them bandanas, West Up, Hood, Thug Life. Okay, they were all about Thug Life in this one. All about Thug Life. Okay, so moving on. Clothes, Thug Life. There you go. Choreography was, I mean, I'm never worried about the choreography for EXO because I just know it's going to be awesome. It's just going to be ridiculously awesome. And the beginning, them poses though, when it's dark and all you see is like this figurine, I don't know, it looks like Sheba with the arms and stuff. And I want to say it looked like a wolf, but it didn't look like a wolf, but it could have been a wolf, but it was like this, just this band, I don't know. It looked awesome. It looked awesome. Clothes, Beauty Factor, song, MV, and choreo. So, time 10 for me. I know you guys enjoyed it. So, this was my reaction, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more reaction. I'll see you guys later.